Okay, so if I would like to add teachers to my classroom, I'm going to go to show list period 1 and then go to the top and look at people. And then here are my students. But if I would like to add teachers, I can just simply click on that icon and then type in someone's name and it'll pop up. I'll hit invite and then it should be sending Karen Sloan an invitation to co-teach with my period 1 class. Now, if I would like to rename a folder, I need to go into whatever folder it is. So unit 1, I go to the snowman and I can hit rename. And let's say I just want to call this folder 1 and then I hit rename. But it will only rename in this section. So if I had created that in multiple sections, like I'll go to period 3, it still says unit 1. So I also need to rename by hitting the snowman, going in individually and naming it folder 1. Here we go. And then, so to go into your stream, and it says Catherine Cholas posted new material. If I don't want that and I really want to clean up my stream, I can go to this wheel, which is my settings, scroll down, classwork on the stream, and it says show condensed notifications. I don't want any notifications, so I'm going to hit hide notifications. I don't want students to be able to post or comment at this point, so you have the option of students only comment, not post, or only teachers can comment and post, which is what I'm going to choose. And then I will hit save. So when I go back, it no longer says Catherine Cholas created in materials. It is all gone and my stream is clean. So I would need to go into each of my periods to do that. This one I think I've already made the setting. Yep, hide notifications and only teachers can post. Yep. Okay, so that is how you clean up your stream.